Hi, what's up, everybody?
Hey, make some noise for Extreme Hip Hop,
Welcome
y'all!
to barnabaz YouTube channel.
Yeah! So we will have some free food. I did say free food for y'all any minute now. After the free food, we want y'all to come right back over here because we're gonna have Orique, you know, and some other women of color, and you want to listen to some soul music and some hip hop music, and you want to see some real women in there, like real bodies, you know, all different ages, all body types. It don't matter. They're just here to get soul and have fun and build community. What we got it.
I just wanna cuddle. Get you one of these. Wake up in the morning, he got flowers.
Growing up in Africa, I know what it feels like to live a life of challenges. However, moving to a tech city like San Jose is not enough to meet all desires. Honestly, not a golden ticket. The sense of belonging, the freedom for kids to run around and not worry about their safety, the income inequality are deep-rooted here. Life in the USA currently is a tapestry of contrasts and challenges. Amidst vibrant cities bustling with innovation and culture, there are deep-rooted issues like economic inequality and political polarization. Communities are grappling with the aftermath of a pandemic, striving for resilience while seeking a sense of normalcy. Yet, there's an undeniable spirit of hope and creativity as people unite for social change, celebrate diversity, and embrace the power of connection in an ever-evolving landscape. I am glad that a family is still the stronghold for African Americans. Guess what? Take it from me, America is still the best place for families.
Other women of color, and you want to listen to some soul music and some hip hop music, and you want to see some real women in there, like real bodies, you know, all different ages, all body types. It don't matter. They're just here to get soul and have fun and build community. What we got it. Coach Ben will be coming up here and doing some extreme hip hop. She's been doing it for as long as I've known her, right? And she does it not only by herself, but she does it for another organization called the Mind Body Soul Lab out here in San Jose. And if you are looking for a dope group fitness class that plays like hip hop music, they play soul music, and you want to walk into a class and you want to see a bunch of black women in the class, and y'all just want to get your sweat on and get your workout on,
All right, we have one more and then we're done.
Wow.